If sound travels at 340 meters per second, what is the minimum distance to the reflecting surface for an echo to be heard? A. 17 meters. B. 68 meters. C. 10 meters. D. 34 meters. The correct answer is A. 17 meters. What was the primary goal pledged on Independence Day in 1930? A. Constitutional monarchy. B. Purna Swaraj. C. Dominion status. D. Economic reforms. The correct answer is B. Purna Swaraj. Which angle does the reflected ray make with the normal? A. Angle of reflection. B. Angle of deviation. C. Angle of incidence. D. Angle of refraction. The correct answer is A. Angle of reflection. Who is known as the father of bacteriology? A. Robert Koch. B. Edward Jenner. C. Alexander Fleming. D. Louis Pasteur. The correct answer is A. Robert Koch. Anitha's reasoning for Mohan's movement is based on the motion of what relative to a stationary object? A. The bus relative to Anitha. B. Mohan relative to the bus. C. Mohan relative to Rekha. D. The bus relative to a tree. The correct answer is D. The bus relative to a tree. Who was the first woman prime minister in the world? A. Sirimavo Bandaranaike. B. Valentina Tereshkova. C. Charlotte Cooper. D. Junko Tabei. The correct answer is A. Sirimavo Bandaranaike. What position is listed directly under the Legislative Assembly, lower house, in the provided structure? A. Chief Minister. B. Speaker. C. Governor. D. President. The correct answer is A. Chief Minister. Which animal is endemic to the Western Ghats and among the 32 butterfly species found there? A. Blue whale. B. Yeoman butterfly. C. Flying squirrel. D. Chiru. The correct answer is B. Yeoman butterfly. What forms the skeletal framework within the body wall of some organisms mentioned? A. Cilia. B. Spicules. C. Nematocysts. D. Tentacles. The correct answer is B. Spicules. Where was the first Battle of Tarain fought? A. Near Mathura. B. Near Delhi. C. Near Lahore. D. Near Kannauj. The correct answer is B. Near Delhi. Rubber is listed as which type of material? A. Alloy. B. Conductor. C. Insulator. D. Metal. The correct answer is C. Insulator. Which of the following is essential for us to live? A. Nitrogen. B. Hydrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Oxygen. The correct answer is D. Oxygen. Judging other people in a negative or inferior manner without knowing much about them is the definition of what? A. Prejudice. B. Acceptance. C. Empathy. D. Sympathy. The correct answer is A. Prejudice. Who determines the allocation of emoluments and allowances when one person is appointed as governor for two or more states? A. The Supreme Court. B. The President. C. The Chief Ministers of the states involved. D. The Parliament. The correct answer is B. The President. Which of these is not listed as a type of white blood cell? A. Eosinophils. B. Monocytes. C. Basophils. D. Macrophages. The correct answer is D. Macrophages. What is the role of a Pansami M? A. Author. B. Domain expert. C. Reviewer. D. Advisor. The correct answer is D. Advisor. What is the longest rail route in the world? A. The Asian Highway 43. B. The Shinkansen. C. The Trans-Siberian Railways. D. The Trans-Asian Railway. The correct answer is C. The Trans-Siberian Railways. Who overthrew the Sugd dynasty? A. Mongols. B. Jurchens. C. Tibetans. D. Manchus. The correct answer is A. Mongols. What is the collective name for the poems composed by the Sangam poets? A. Ashokan edicts. B. Hathi Gumfa inscriptions. C. Sangam texts. D. Pugalur inscriptions. The correct answer is C. Sangam texts. What is the minimum residency period in India required for a person married to an Indian citizen to apply for registration of citizenship? A. 10 years. B. 7 years. C. 5 years. D. 12 years. The correct answer is B. 7 years. The forest mentioned in the text is home to a variety of which animal? A. Birds. B. Mammals. C. Monkeys. D. Reptiles. The correct answer is C. Monkeys. From what is cellulose obtained for making rayon and other synthetic fibers? A. Natural gas. B. Not specified in the text. C. Petroleum. D. Minerals. The correct answer is B. Not specified in the text. Which term describes the use of organisms to understand changes in Earth's living systems, particularly those caused by human activities? A. Bioindication. B. Geoinformatics. C. Ecosystem engineering. D. Anthropogenic ecology. The correct answer is A. Bioindication. What is the smallest dimension a typical screw gauge can measure? A. 1 centimeter. B. 10 millimeters. C. 1 millimeter. D. 0.01 millimeters. The correct answer is D. 0.01 millimeters. If you need to separate very large pieces from a mixture of solids, which method would be most appropriate? A. Removing lighter grains from heavier ones. B. Separating solids of different sizes. C. Separating magnetic substances. D. Hand picking. The correct answer is D. Hand picking. Which type of tissue includes columnar and ciliate epithelium? A. Muscle tissue. B. Connective tissue. C. Nerve tissue. D. Epithelial tissue. The correct answer is D. Epithelial tissue. What does Sutta Pitaka lay down? A. Rules for monastic conduct. B. Divisions of the threefold basket. C. Principles of the Buddhist faith. D. Ways to achieve asceticism. The correct answer is C. Principles of the Buddhist faith. When did the shooting incident involving Malala occur? A. October 2012. B. October 2013. C. October 2011. D. October 2010. The correct answer is A. October 2012. Where are the detected ultrasonic waves processed and kept? A. In a computer. B. In a specialized printer. C. In an external monitor. D. In the ultrasound transducer itself. The correct answer is A. In a computer. In which of the following is a magnet commonly used? A. Calculators. B. Television screens. C. Speakers. D. Keyboards. The correct answer is C. Speakers. How did you score?